Fire is a non-profit organization that helps internet users in China to circumvent the Great Firewall, the Chinese government's internet censorship that prevents many Chinese citizens from knowing about the actions of their government and restricts the free flow of information in China. We all know about how severe online censorship is in China. VPNs and other circumvention tools can help you solve the problems with firewalls and censorship. But what if you are a content creator and also want to help your readers to access your content despite censorship? It used to be that all you could do was to tell them to get a VPN. However, what if instead you could create an app with your content to bypass all kinds of censorship without the need for a VPN? To help you solve the problems, we developed AppMaker. It's an Android app creator tool. AppMaker is completely free of charge for anyone. We invite you to create an app for your website and join dozens of others who are already delivering uncensored information to audiences in China. Using AppMaker, you can create your own Android app with built-in anti-censorship technology for free. Your app is based on Great Fire's anti-censorship technology that works in China. It is tried and tested. Through the app, your supporters and readers can download and access your website, even in countries like China, which have strict online censorship. You have your own app and distribute it to your audience. The Android apps created by Great Fire's AppMaker can help people to access blocked websites from anywhere around the world without a VPN. These apps have inbuilt technology to bypass online censorship. Then how can you create an app by using AppMaker? It only takes a minute or two to automatically create your Android app. First, you simply visit the AppMaker website, appmaker.greatfire.org. Next, choose a name for your new app. Then, copy the URL address of your website and paste it in homepage. Choose and upload a logo image file from your computer. When you are done, click the Submit button. After a minute, when the build progress bar is full, the creation of your Android app is completed. You can download an APK file of your app and install the file on your phone to run the app. Also, you can share the APK file or a QR code of your app to distribute the app to other people. One of the cool things about AppMaker is that you can choose any name and logo image you like for your app. For instance, you can use a picture of your friend's face and name it My Friend, and create an app of any website you choose. If you are in a situation where you already have an app but it is censored, we have another tool for you. Envoy is a free open-source code library of anti-censorship technology that powers all AppMaker apps. If you already have your own Android app but want to make it resistant to censorship, then you can integrate the anti-censorship code into your existing app. We have made the code available for free on GitHub. Now you have your own app that can bypass internet censorship and access blocked websites anywhere around the world. What will you do with this app? If your organization's website and content are blocked in certain countries like China for any reason, you can create an app to solve the problem by creating an anti-censorship app by using AppMaker. For instance, you can make an app of your organization's Facebook page and share the app with people in China to see your Facebook page. You can also directly share the APK file or QR code with your audience through the outreach channels you currently use. For example, write about your app in your email newsletter. Post links on your social media channels. Partner with other organizations that target the same audience as you are. We hope that AppMaker can help more people around the world to equally access information and freely disseminate information through the internet. By unblocking censorship, we want to help people to overcome barriers that have been put in place to prevent the free flow of information. If you want to learn more about GreatFire's AppMaker and other projects, please visit greatfire.org or follow us on Twitter @GreatFireChina.